right now, Yanko back to this matter, and the matter is this one. Yes, sorry, I no pay the Betty and say a year NPP. Nipa 16 tax akron for a woody for omoko a year UTV sen komukoku a year omwa omudi juma ewo UTV and I say ewo despite media no and komukoku omono our police for nipa edunsia 16 na yet say after omoko san komukoku a year omwa omudi juma ewo a year UTV for a year entertainment show so na enya ambaso no aban and I say a year police for echi emrantie edian edunsia omuchi omu nyina say sam brantie we brantie bia na omo bi a friend intent to commit a crime oba Ghana mremu a yakase say wo idea krampo say obedi obi boni a so kofiase just to have the idea et say Ghana for ebu a Vicky Hammer omubuan for omoka say Vicky Hammer just having an intent and then John Mahama epam Vicky Hammer did not say when you 1 million and I say we are 1 million or say an intent a dream on a dream na any intent na a dream say onya 1 million obeja politics John Mahama pamono. These gentlemen at the end of the day no omu breaky security protocol omu ra a live show so and they seized the place and told people they say omoba attack omo. In fact, from UTV for Nankasa no Ankasa presenters omo TV so kire say emranten ba na ebi kutakuta nsekan ebi kutakuta ntuo ebi kutakuta eyede nyoma yedidi boni edidi wu enyame na mekaye utie UTV for Nankasa reporters omo tena TV so eka attack we hu asama omo ma yati ase say je eni hu no TV so krampo de na ekitu ebi and then the man Mr. Logic Jimmy phone ko table as if you say na man for kutakuta ntuo and then sikan a omdura UTV na asem no kodi police for nsemu no ade achie endem enite ya Ghana Police Service for say the intent na omde ba say ko be kunipa obo be nipa sikan no emranti om free MPP mo om ye ewudifo bronika say we taga we nipa bi a wugina bonta betu sikan awo bi ha ku no saa na e kasa obi attack yakasa obi a hooligan obi a dangerous or a social vibe yakasa obi a tagger basically no or ye nipa bi a obokro no odi ewuo ya chie tags where omo gina TV so omo ye MPP for na asoma so omo bedi ewu e wo live TV so no Ghana Police Service echim rantie we no omo so imrantie 16 idie the akosi nyina na say you bet charge obi 200 Ghana. Mr. S, how much is 200 Ghana in dollars? Emrantie 16 na omu wa UTV eko die wo no. Omu eko ye na omu intent no was to go and kill and murder people no. Ghana Police Service ekufuado ene ba obi amoda no. Omo meka che say o de mbranche ko ye no omo de omo hu ni say ehu bia nti yetwa ebo 200 Ghana to bia so obi ametua 200 Ghana no nko nti okeka nipa 16 ni nyina 200 2400 Ghana omo ntia no nko nti ade achi enkrante ene sikan ni ntuo na ka omo de kodi dwuma no omo sanfa nguo na ade achi biom na omo probi adi bone a omo sanfa nko se ne be ya ye chi omo a ne asa be eli omo 200 Ghana ne achi omo so 300 Ghana na omo ko inti mranche 16 na nka omo kodi ewu no ende ekufuado aban ni MPP aban say oh omo nko fie obi ametua 200 Ghana which is about between $13 to $15 o hwe ade we na eya ana meboa na kwasie bi ka chem say NDC for ba ade na mo be o bodam o da mine mo obi be yiwu a obusa say oya santini ana so oya hunani o ya kwasiato those foolish people those foolish journalists and the NDC for a press conference na some foolish journalists be back was of Bridge FM and a Jimmy for back was of Angel FM now upon all these things are NPP NDC for there no mo be or chin o da mine mu kwasiato woda minem enkofo bedi wo so mfie nso woda minem wu obi be yi wonsef no a wo so ya santini ana so ya hunani unye jimifo ubusa se NDC for omo ba ade na omo beye jimifo problem no ne solve enye the same NDC for no mo be see hospital e wa santimema o maame ne twoba ye ne koto we jimi. These are the things we talk about every day. So Ghana for and the kufuado no o sikan Udi bone. Into the question here is, into the Ghana near one, why na Esha Ghana so? Because the Ekufuado ne MPP aye, any police for aye, asem branche we mu kena. Amo mo confidence. Say next time no, omo wura UTV o, omo betete eye amanfo no mu ku omo. If you say police for no echi omo kura 1,000 Ghana. Because omo wura TV so live TV kura jomo 200 Ghana. Into omo ko work Kwame A Plus kan, omo man dying to say Kwame A Plus ko party. And a gidi si on obi wo the yem a normal. Intend no Ghana government no is telling young MPP thugs. Now this is not the first time MPP any Ghana Police Service or maka mutino abonwa or more thugs any criminals it would for chances of mukuhe. This was Delta Force. Time a Delta Force for a court or pim for judge woha or muko bruno eko yi muko for piano. MPP are buying eka so be able to 1,800 Ghana mokai. 2021 I remember 2021 Delta Force for now call a year court or pim for judge na oti a year Delta Force for case so na omako di boni a yebe jeli omo wura court to tata judge no ye wie na Ekufuado aban no etwa ebo se obi ametua 1,800 Ghana no nko etuo sikan ewudi sema Kennedy Japan sponsor Delta Force momudi diye eko twitwa ni pasekan e o techiman kesiem e ba ye be change car color ni ade no mo wie no aban through the attorney general no omo say obi ametua 1,800 intende no omo ka che mranche so obi antua 200 Ghana mama ne nyam wo na otwe mi gina ka say na NDC for ema alternative we aboa e kire abo otimu to mo owu ema yesio ansa na wo say aban we yankwasiafo aban. Now you see where we are, the danger in where we are. And obiti eyede ofosu, obiti oboase tetakrade tibekwai. Yede ese eni nkra ho. Hey! Time boxer a dynamite na explode here no. Dia so na me ka kire mo, me se foforo be se si. Me assure that time first at appearance dynamite no call off anipa wu here no. No obiti baby a recently foforo ni si na e ka say, "Hey, we mu de, nyame ambo mo ban. On say mo so te wa na didim." Menya wa adwene se sa tax we akronfo we omko ye besuma mo mama ba ho abebo to election day. Anything I tell say going to vote no enye about why na ebedi so it is about voting NPP out. Ojan bi o NPP who does not have to lead Ghana bi Kennedy wan Bawumia they don't have to come close to power. This is 2021. This is I hope I got it right. Inti Sankwasi from UTV no they are paying approximately by $17 each person between $17 non-co. They had the intent to murder people. They had the intent to commit a crime. And so Ghana buying some between $17 200 Ghana cedis no monko. Omun penny for now we first one no aban we aka say omun chia saying 1,800 each. Omakwa assault jajo outside. Now we are sure say America ha kwasi atobe to akwa assault judge or cases so court outside aba me aka say between $1,800 in a call. On say kwasi afo de dimuso. But do I blame them? I don't blame them. The reason why I don't blame them and they say Kwame despite media no they are an affiliate of the NPP. Last me catch them conform ko ejuma despite a Peace FM UTV say Kwame despite obetina ho ma NPP cool or the Chicago politin bag na watwi toy cars na dey akomo busuafo. He does not care. One and the mama tata radio so ni TV so ka say mama Ekufuado special reporter 2014-15 na mo twa reporter ma Ekufuado odi Ekufuado echi eye propaganda Ekufuado mutumi ma 20 minutes on your news reporter ya de ama Ekufuado say oni Ekufuado nante Ekufuado ko ne kura on kan kire Ghana for enya mo na mekai me na mekai owusu bempa aboa popo na hu fin se kotre wanwa mo say time okodi nkwasese no mo na mo che no protect no enya mo Peace FM ni YouTube for am kai yanti kroma ena ye frɛ Ekufuado sɛ ɔmmra no mbɛyɛ the debate ni anhwɛ sɛ oyejimi anasa onye jimi mo ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔnkɔtena Kwame Sefa kan Peace FM show so 2016 ena mo protect no na nkwasiafo ena ebekum a mo kam nkwasiafo ɔmatwe kan oboso na ɔmobobobomtu a mo kam me say I don't blame the government and I don't blame the police. I blame Kwame despite so ya santini Ghana be good here, MPP be good here, and Ghana ngu. Until all that is happening, no, he does not care because after police focus and go forward, Obia 200 Ghana Kofi, no, despite and concern Honomu release statement. Kwame despite and the despite media, they were supposed to frown on this, release a statement because psychologically, these people what they did, say company no nipa na and they are not workers no one. Obeka said this case I will make sure. But Kwame despite does not care. I will not be surprised. Or don't put a work at police for say Momo 200 Ghana no Munkofie. I know because also ya Santilini will be a radio. In Tigana Beshidia, a MPP Beshan in Kagana and shit. So till date, Kwame despite and the UTV, Peace FM, they are happy. You see the nonsense happening in Ghana. Oh, kwasha sema isi Ghana. Sanko from Kotono, Yanko ko because Kwame despite obet toy car. Toy car oba brocha bronya kwa wodi 12 years MP obetrim ahyeche anu whiskey we wiase nyina e de sikegu politin bag mu e man kwase bloggers bi de chi say Kwame despite akobonsa. I keep telling you people, the problem is not a ye nipa na was no e ye omo bo ekufo ado aban mo di nkwase asem no. And you will see election 2024 these Kwame despite for no oman na betam sika sama MPP ya asante for inti nkwase asem koso kra o see supporting because they gave the MPP the bigger chunk of their money to campaign and lie about John Mahama and NDC to kick NDC out. It's a fact. Inti se me we are more UTV in that we are boy bi kura mame if you say ochina ube wuso otwen Kwame despite beko obe friend the bas small boy no afo oyi ne toys ne ba ko say ko twifa krom na ma enkwasiafo bi ndi wechi so me bloggers na ko say sikagu politin bag ne en hyehyɛ che ne en pempam ntade say de ka na ntwie so e wo Vietnam ne en frɛ ho East Legon kokora ne en ko donation and focus hey Kwame despite ebe you but your well-being today he does not care. Why hasn't he released a statement? He's okay with this, right? In Kwasi Assemble, Kwame despite is happy with it. It me one way Kwame despite UTV me whom say you are walking dead. Now my mention my dear Fufurubi.